cerasee feed to ram, so 20 I eat today. And naturalist a feed under there so. And cash a feed there so. We feed the ram them with cerasee. If them take sugar in their body they need bitters too, not true? Come on. So them look decent. Yeah man, so my fans, so honest good thing me I show the eye them. Big up YouTube, big up Cameron, big up Larry, big up Real Vibe, big up Tony, big up Doghead, and big up everyone, and big up Darren. Yeah man, I'm bridging from way in Africa. Big up yourself way. I can't remember your name right now. And Juna and every man will link the program so far. Big up. This man I'm not quite ready to carry them out, so I feed them some cerasee. You know, them get some bitters in them body. Them get some growth steak already. You know, them feed for some cerasee. Yeah man, so we do it, you see me family. Yeah man, this is one name boy. You know, so me have him on the sale machine, no? Anytime. $5 a pound. You understand? We just put it on the scale and done. Cause here now, I don't want me to beat my chest or me to wonder. So we work with the scale, you know, so I hold it for better. So family, scale we scale them. You understand? Cerasee eating morning. Cerasee eating morning. I don't know if you ever practice your goat them, or practice my goat them feed cerasee. If them got a bush and I eat a bush, them there na this. That's what I think about. Spend more time, spend give the opportunity to feed them things. Cause when they go out and they see something to eat, they have to eat, you know? Yeah man. Bless up. Bless up YouTube. One love, one God, one destination. Father God, I want to thank you for yet another day. This is a Monday morning, Lord. I want to give you thanks, sir, because we never seen nothing like this before. Everything is new. Everything is brand new. The aim and the plan for the day you alone know, Father. So into your hand we commit ourselves. We pray that you will direct our path and help us to make it to in your ways. Lord, our ways is like a filthy rag, but you alone can change us and bring us through. We thank you for what you have done already and what you are about to do. We thank you for every little thing, Lord, that you always do. Because without you, with nothing we born, Lord, in our hand, and without you, we could not make it even to this moment. Thank you for life. Thank you for friends. Thank you for YouTubers. Thank you for everything that you have done in your whole name. I pray and give you thanks. In Jesus, the Lord and Savior name. YouTube, love and love and love and love and love and love and love. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Do unto others the wish them do to you. You know? So see, some now feed me because some want. But feed the one they want to feed. Because goat follow fashion now. Goat follow fashion. So once goat see another goat to eat, then you know say we eat too. You see me? Goat follow fashion. So I'm see my mother there have a new skid on the block. Drop more ram. Yeah, man. And then I pay me too. So you know goat follow fashion, not true? Yeah, man. You could go out tonight, you know. And I go out and make them feel this one. Cerasee them love. You know, cerasee, see? Cerasee. Cerasee, man.